The series is all about understanding basics of economics from Tamil Nadu board book. But as I always say that, the book doesn't matter, but what we are doing, the concepts really matter. And no matter if you are going to give any entrance exam or appear for CVT or CBSC or whichever board you're from, really doesn't matter. If you're interested in knowing the basics of economics, this series is for you. And I'll quickly share the screen because today what we are going to do is NNP, that is net national product, at factor cost and at market price both. So this is where I left last time, and today we'll complete it. So net national product at market price. I always say that market price is a price at which you get something in the market. Okay, the final price that you're getting in the market is market price. So net national product refers to value of net output. Net means excluding capital equipment wear and tear, that is excluding depreciation. Okay, agar depreciation included hota, it would have been gross of the economy during the year. NNP is obtained by deducting the value of depreciation, as I already mentioned, or replacement allowance of capital assets. So if they ask, replacement allowance of capital asset is also known as depreciation. When we reduce it from GNP, when we get NNP, you can say NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation allowance. Depreciation is also called capital consumption allowance plus indirect taxes. Okay, so that's a very good thing that everybody should know. Depreciation is also called capital consumption allowance plus indirect taxes. All right. Then what is factor cost? If we have already read about market price, what is factor cost? Factor cost is something that, when you're putting in your factor, what are the factor of production? Land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship. So when these factors are putting into play and they're producing something, so before going into the market, what is the cost of these factors which makes the cost of a product that they've produced is factor cost. NNP refers to the market price, market value of output, whereas NNP at factor cost is the total income payment made to factors of production. Okay, thus from the money value of NNP at market price, we deduct the amount of indirect taxes, add subsidies to arrive at net national income at factor cost, because something which is factor, when there is a factor cost, the income paid to factor of payment, and based on that we take into consideration, maybe we are producing a t-shirt, so we'll pay wages, we'll pay rent, we'll pay profits, and we'll pay interest. After paying all of it, we'll add up a value of t-shirt and we'll say that the t-shirt ka factory cost is 300 rupees. But to go into the market, there would be subsidies, there would be taxes. So when we include taxes and exclude subsidies, then we'll get the market price, and from the market price we'll do the reverse thing. All right, so that is it, and that's what we'll focus on. All right, so this is important that once we do the subsidy thing, so as you can see, NNP at factor cost is equal to NNP at market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. All right, so NNP at market price, that is the market price that you're getting, when we reduce the taxes, because it would have included taxes, so when we'll reduce the taxes and add the subsidies, then we reach at to the factor cost. So that is NNP at factor cost, and that's the basic difference. Through this video, we are understanding the basic difference between market price and factor cost. All right, so that was it for today's video, and we'll continue with personal income and further disposable income, per capita income, and this chapter we'll continue with it. But for today, that's it, and I'll keep bringing such videos. Do share your feedback. How are you liking these videos? If yes, no, you need improvement, or you need longer form videos, you need more topics in a video, any feedback would be really grateful. I would be very grateful for any of your feedbacks, and I'll take it into consideration. And also do like the video if you found it useful, and share, subscribe, comment down below about how you're finding these series, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care guys, and